Hello everyone, I really hope everything is okay and at 2 minutes. So today I have a very interesting point to talk about. I'm gonna keep obviously talking about how to lose weight in a healthy fashion, and more than that, how to decrease our waist circumference, how to lose belly fat, those adipose tissue that we have, those extra adipose tissue that we have in our abdominal cavity need to be eliminated, and today we want to have a look at it. So that being said, let's go into the main point. We're going to be breaking down 4 psychological and environmental aspects of our food choices in order to lose belly fat. Do not go anywhere, stay with me. So those 4 aspects will be food production, food preparation, food processing, and food consumption. I will start with food production. When it comes to food production, we're gonna point out 3 points, 3 aspects. Will be non-organic food, sustainable food, and organic food. When it comes to organic food, this type of food, it is certified that has been grown on soil. It has to be grown on soil to be certified as an organic food, right? And all these types of food do not contain prohibited substances such as synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, conservatives, artificial sweeteners, I would say, and stuff like that. There are more, but just for you guys have an idea what I'm trying to say. They don't contain those type of things. Now we have sustainable food. This system provides a fresh, healthy food that can be transmitted to people from generation to generation. And obviously, non-organic food will be the opposite to organic food, right? This type of food contains a lot of conservatives, artificial sweeteners. Wow. The opposite to organic food. And that's the one that we should avoid, because the body have to deal with food, so to speak, that cause health issues like diabetes, high cholesterol, coronary and cardiac problems and stuff like that. So I'm not a doctor to keep talking about it, but even though I'm not a doctor, I can say that this type of food provide several health issues that you should avoid, and that's why I'm telling you that. So now we have the food preparation. When it comes to food preparation, obviously that's the way that you prepare your food, right? It's gonna be raw, cooked, or overcooked. Overcooking, especially when you are using too much vegetable oil to fry food. Do not do that, because vegetable oil, they need it at high temperature. Use it in its natural way, in its liquid way, and then you have all the numbers of health benefits that it contains. When it comes to food preparation, raw, that's the way that you should eat most of the vegetable and fruits. you should enjoy proper cooked food mindfully, and avoid overcooked food, because you're gonna be destroying a lot of enzymes, a lot of nutrients, healthy nutrients that you can be taking as a result of having this type of preparation. All right, especially if you are frying with vegetable oil. Now we have food processing. It will be heavy processed food, semi-processed food, and then unprocessed food. We should go for unprocessed food. We should enjoy mindfully the semi-processed food. This semi-processed food, dairy food will fall in that category. Talking about milk and its alternatives. Yogurt, cheese, be mindful. 1 time a day will be okay. And try to go for the best choices, right? And then we have heavy processed food. That's the one that you should avoid. If you want to more in details about the unprocessed food, unprocessed carbohydrate, unprocessed protein, unprocessed fat, I have a video talking about that. Just check it out and you will know, and you will see everything in details. And just to say an example, the unprocessed food would be sugary drinks. When it comes to meat, bacon, sausages, hot dogs, just for example, And then when it comes to fat, avoid too much trans fat. I have a video talking about those things. So, and then we have the 4 psychological and environmental aspects. The food consumption. How do you consume your food? Could be in disordered eating habits. Fashion, in a distracted fashion, or in a present way, and that's the one that we have to go. But I will start talking about the disordered eating habit that you can have. Eating at different times. Let's say, for instance, breakfast at one day at 4 in the morning, the other day at 8, and the other day at 10 a.m. and stuff like that. You should try to find the same time that you consume your food. Right? That would be very beneficial as well. Now we have the distracted food. When you are eating but you are not concentrating your food, you are distracted, you are thinking about other things, you are talking with your friends but not paying attention on your food, and even though you don't think that it happens, the food won't be digested, don't be absorbed in the same way that you would do it if you would be present, which is the way that you should eat your food, being present on your food. And that would be very beneficial because you're gonna release different types of hormones that allow our organism, our body to digest, absorbs these nutrients much easier. The amino acid from the protein, the glucose from the carbohydrate, the fat from meat and fishes, and so the nutrients will be absorbed much easier. That's for sure. Another thing that I would like to talk about before I finish this video will be that the physical activity. Obviously, it take I would say a vital role when it comes to lose weight as well. You should do appropriate physical activity according to your level, to your current fitness state. And if you don't have a personal trainer, go for one. one of them, you know, you can call me, you can contact me, and we can work on that. And I'm here to help you to achieve your fitness and nutrition goal. If you have liked what you have heard, if you've liked what you have seen, just subscribe, give it a like, just as I like it, and something very important, do not forget to hit the bell. And you won't miss out any of my videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.